Hello guys, if you are following our channel then you might be aware of the word VPN. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. Many of us install a VPN. Today, let's discuss a few fun facts and reasons to fix or install a VPN on our systems. But before that, here is a short intro about VPN. VPN is a software that safeguards your personal information by hiding your IP address, data, personality and identity as well. VPN keeps your data secure. It acts as a firewall as well. Save money using a VPN. If you are economical and not extravagant, then go ahead and install a VPN. Here I will explain 9 reasons to install a VPN, and the 9th one is the real money saver. Reason number 1. Insurance while using Civic Wi-Fi. I know many of us use public Wi-Fi at airports or coffee shops or even malls to send snaps to your friends and upload stories on Instagram. Sometimes you might have even checked your emails and messages on WhatsApp. You might have even stalked your ex on Instagram. Okay, that's a secret, but did you know that when you use a public Wi-Fi, your online activities are recorded? You might stalk your ex, but you do not have privacy. You are being watched. I can hold on to your secret, but the one watching you can never. Using or installing a VPN protects your data while you are on different networks. VPN enables you to hide your search history, your bank details, and your personal information, and restrains a secret that you text your friend. Reason number 2. Secrecy from the internet service providers. An internet service provider is an association that delivers assistance for accessing, utilizing, and taking part in the internet. You may use the internet at your residence. You may browse and bank on the websites at your home. The ISP or internet service provider, the group that provides internet access to your home, may scan your bank details as well as your site history. This is dangerous and your information may leak out. If you install a VPN, this helps to block the information from getting transferred. Reason number 3. Data privacy from applications you use. I know we all use different apps. I know we use Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook and even Twitter. Recently, TikTok was prohibited in some countries and we avoided promoting and using it. Do you know if these apps track your information? 100% they track your information and may publish it to the world. Recently, Facebook has been accused of snatching bank information. Your personal information, your bank details and your secrets will be safe once you install a VPN. Reason number 4. Safety when working remotely. One benefit of the VPN is that it helps with data encryption features. Encryption allows the arrangement of data into code that has a meaning and allows the data to be safe and secure. Installing a VPN helps in protecting your information. One of the benefits is that the employees can connect to the office network and accordingly grab their information. VPN softwares keep your confidential information safe. Reason number 5 is it is easy to use. So all of us love to have security and privacy in our lives. We ask our parents also to knock on door when they enter our room. We ask for privacy and never let them check our phones. We beg people for privacy and security. We never want people to know our secrets. So here a VPN comes in handy. VPN helps in keeping your secrets. No external person can read your personal information. Reason number 6. Protection from the government. Do you think your data is safe? No, it is never safe. Your data is even sold to our governments. Many of the apps promise that they won't share your information, but they do sell to the governments. Reason number 7. Anonymity. VPN helps in maintaining the state of autonomy. It helps to protect your information and helps in maintaining the individuality of your information. Number 8. Breaking geo-restrictions. The internet is a collection of apps and websites and is full of recreation. Feeling bored and all you do is Netflix and chill. Wanna watch a movie or drama? Let's watch Prime. Wanna listen to Blackpink? YouTube. But did you know that these apps and the internet run according to the area you are in? The content you want to watch is dependent on the location you are in. Install a VPN to watch any movie from any part of the world. You can enjoy any language movie or series wherever you are in the world. For example, if you want to watch Naruto Shippuden on Netflix, then you will not be able to watch Naruto Shippuden if you are residing in any country except France, because Naruto Shippuden is available in France only. For more details on how to watch Naruto, you can check our description box. Reason number 9, last but not the least, it is the underrated benefit of the VPN, which is if you are an international traveler and visits frequently or occasionally also in a year, then this benefit will help you definitely to save a lot of money. For more details on this benefit, you can find a video in the I button showing how you can save $829 on a single visit using VPN. So that's it for today, my friends. If you liked the video, then like the video, share the video with your friends, relatives and colleagues so that they could also benefit from the video. And if you want to support us, then subscribe to our channel and put a comment for more informative videos like this. Thank you.